Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me in that. Customers usually ask me, whether you can mix two different brands of oil in the engine. In principle yes, as long as they meet two requirements. Although there are also exceptions, in principle, the degree of viscosity has to match. For example, 65W40 can be mixed with another 65W40 of another brand, and that in addition the API matches. Here we have the API SN. These two letters have to match. You can find the API on the front of the bottle or on the back. There are also exceptions, for example, engines that have unit injectors, which in addition, you have to take into account the 505.01 rule. There you should also take that into account. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.